Hi guys, I'm Meenal from yourwebsitelearning.com. Today, I'm going to show you how to change the website icon or logo on WordPress. This is also called as Favicon, that is favorite icon. If someone goes to any website, right next to the title bar, there is a logo of the company. This is a favicon. Purpose of a favicon is when multiple tabs are open, the title disappears and only icons are visible. So, a favicon helps in brand building. It creates a brand identity and also brings credibility and trust. Size of a favicon is 16 by 16 pixels and 32 by 32 pixels. But in Astra theme WordPress, we don't need to resize our logo. The theme automatically resizes the logo for us. Let's start adding favicon to your website. Go on your website, click on Customize, go on Header, click on Site Identity and select Site Icon. Upload your logo here. Click on Skip Cropping. Click on Publish and wait for 2 minutes. Now open the website in new tab. You will see that the favicon is reflecting. So you saw how easy it is to add your company's logo to your website, and this might be looking very minute, but this can help a lot in brand building, in helping your brand grow. To learn how to create a contact form in WordPress and Elementor, click here. To know how to add a favicon in WordPress website, click here. I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Bye-bye.